Hello, welcome. Let's look at this JAMB past question English 2018 question number 4. In each of questions 4 to 13, choose the option opposite in meaning to the words or word or phrase in italics. The witness averred that she had seen Dosun at the scene of the crime. The word in italics is averred. So which of these in the options has the same or has opposite in meaning to the word averred? A. Argued. B. Confirmed. C. Denied. D. Affirmed. Now, for us to be able to understand this very well, we need to first of all know the meaning of these very words. Here we have averred, we have argued, we have confirmed, we have denied, and we have affirmed. So first of all, the italicized word is averred. So what is the meaning of averred? Averred simply means to state or assert. To state or assert or confirm something to be the case. So to state or assert or confirm something or a fact to be the case. That is what averred is. It means to confirm something. So argue, what is the meaning of argue? Argued simply means to put forward a reason, to confirm something, to put forward a reason or reasons to confirm a case. So you can see that this and this are the same thing. Now, what of confirm? What's the meaning of confirm? Confirm means to confirm something. So it's still meaning the same thing, to state that something is true. So all these are having similar meaning. To confirm something. So that is the meaning of confirm, to state that something is true. Affirm also means the same thing, to state emphatically that something is true. That is affirm too. So you can see that all these are having similar meaning. But now deny is the only one that is the opposite. All these are saying that something is true. You're arguing for something. She argued that she had seen something. That means you're confirming it. Confirm the same thing, affirm the same thing, aver the same thing. So the only one in opposite is deny. This is saying that something is not true, unlike the other ones that are stating that it is actually true. So that makes option C the right answer for this, because we are looking for opposite in meaning. So the opposite of averred, like I said, averred means to confirm something, to confirm that something is true, or to argue that something is true, or to affirm that something is true. That is confirm. That is averred. So deny is the opposite of these whole other things, because all of them mean the same thing. So deny is the only one that is out there, and that is the one having opposite in meaning, and that makes C the answer to this. Thank you.